Hello everybody, this is the third work from the semester of the virtual reality with Dr. Bradbury in UNCA New Media Department. Yes, this is the EcoSwift, the virtual reality project. This is kind of virtual reality experience which you can do in the 2124. Well, you will hear my
Welcome to the virtual reality experience in the mountains of Asheville. This takes place in the year 2124. Use the left controller Joy-Con to look around the environment, then use the right controller Joy-Con to explore the map. You'll need to reach the cabin to start the game. We hope that you enjoy it. Welcome to the virtual reality experience in the mountains of Asheville.
And what's like this the introduce of the game, and now that you have like this environment in the future in this forest, and of course you go to find the cabin and you go inside the cabin.
You made it to the cabin, but it looks like you dropped some red muffins along the trail. You'll have to go back and retrieve them before the animals get to them, or they could get sick.
Well, inside the cabin, yes, you can continue the here. You have a hammer.
Before the animals get to them, or they could get sick. You made it to the cabin, but it looks like you dropped some red muffins along the trail. You'll have to go back and retrieve them before the animals get to them, or they could get sick. You made it to the cabin, but it looks like you dropped some red muffins along the trail. You'll have to go back and retrieve.
Well, when you return to the forest, yes, you need to pick all the trash and say, well, this is a kind of a bear, it's kind of, and when you give food, say in this part is part to say, don't feed the bear. I will to be clear more in front.
You'll have to go back and retrieve them before the animals get to them.
Because what happened when I make this video, you can see when go out the words, because only you see in the headset. For the reason I showed you in the editor how to go out the message when you put the trash or you feed the bear, because only you can see inside the headset, and when you make the video, record the video, you can see this kind of message go outside inside the headset. This is now, yes, you can see the word you can see in the video recorder, but yes, when you play in the headset you can see the message. Well, this is the trail of this forest. You found a lot of trash, and this it's muffins and some plastic bottles, and some moments say the no outlet because you can go more in front, and you can see some birds, but it's kind of more mechanical puppets than the real bear. Well, thank you so much to see this. This is a work with Diana and Edwin for the virtual reality course, the last project. Thank you so much, Dr. Bradbury, UNCA and New Media Department, and see you for more videos about virtual reality. And this is made it in Unreal and Blender, all the meshes. Part of the meshes was made for Diana, part for me, and part of the development was made for the boss together. Well, thank you so much, and have a great day and enjoy the video. Coming soon. Bye bye.